Istanbul, every alley and sunlit rooftop whispers a new story. As a travel videographer, I've come to realize that the freedom to explore truly comes from traveling light, without ever sacrificing the quality of my vision. In a city where ancient history meets modern energy at every turn, I need gear that keep up with my adventures. That's why the DJI RS4 Mini isn't just a tool, it's my creative partner. This small yet powerful semi-pro gimbal enables me to move with ease through the vibrant bazaars and quiet mosques. I remember walking through the vibrant streets where every corner burst with life, and knowing I could capture every detail without being weighed down. With features like AI intelligent tracking, I don't have to worry about losing my subject even in the busiest scenes. It keeps everything smooth and clean, so I can focus on the story unfolding around me. The RS4 Mini also offers the second-gen automated axis lock and let me switch the gimbal on and off quickly without having to lock each axis manually. This saves me precious time and let me move swiftly when I'm on the go. And when I want to switch perspective quickly, the third-gen native vertical shooting switch let me move between vertical and horizontal shots seamlessly. Whenever I'm dialing in a dolly zoom or performing a smooth 360 roll, the intuitive joystick and mode switches helps me capture Istanbul's many layers. From its quiet country yard to its lovely street scenes with stunning precision. With this gimbal means I can truly immerse myself in every moment without missing a beat. With this little companion by my side, I'm not just filming, I'm capturing memories, one frame at a time.